Get your shoulder ready.
Yeah, that's a 12 gauge.
Huh? It should be ready. Oh, did you press the safety in? Mike, see if he's got the safety on it. Put two rounds in it. Should be ready to go.
Press it in when you're ready, yeah. Should be ready.
He might have pressed it in accidentally with his finger.
Suits you that one.
What?
Suits you that one.